This is the inauguration of the ReGen MX network of clinics in Cancun. It's going to be the center of excellence for point-of-care regenerative medicine in Latin America. We're just making the ribbon cutting and a symbolic toast, signifying the initiation of our operations in Mexico and in the rest of the Latin American countries. ReGen es una red internacional de Point of Care Regenerative Medicine creada por el Dr. Sally Yildirim. Venimos trabajando juntos hace unos 5 o 7 años, colaborando, y él, que ha sido siempre un líder muy humilde, ha decidido colocar el programa ReGen dentro de la sombrilla de Global Stem Cells Group. Como saben, Global Stem Cells Group es un grupo de empresas que cubre desde manufactura de productos, entrenamientos a través de ISCA, hasta este tipo de clínicas que son centros de excelencia para la práctica de Point of Care Regenerative Medicine. Dr. Yildirim, it's all yours.
Thank you so much. We are very happy to be here today and be part of Global Stem Cell Group. With this alliance, we are having more points of care around the world for stem cell applications. And today, I would like to special thanks to Dr. Rafael, and I would like to give him his plaque before we enter, so he's part of ReGen network around the world. Saying that, let's cut the ribbon with all our physicians around. Let's walk into the center of excellence and a continuous training center in Latin America and Mexico. I love Latin America. I love Latin America. Yeah.